From Wikipédia, the Free Encyclopedia. Monk. Genre. Police Procedural. Comedy Drama. Mystery. Created by Andy Breckman. Starring. Tony Shelraub. Betty Scream. Jason Gray Stanford. Ted Levine. Trailer Award. Opening Theme Instrumental Theme. By Jeff Billa. It is a John Glauder. By Randy Newman B. Composé Jeff Bill. Country of Origin United States. Original Language English. No of Season 8. No of Épisode 125, List of Episodes. Production. Executive Producers. Andy Breckman. David Roberman. Tony Shelraub. Tom Scharpling. Rob Thompson. Caméra setup single caméra. Running time 40-45 minutes. Production compagnie. Mandeville Film. Touchstone Television. USA Cable Entertainment, Seasons 1-3. Universal Cable Production C. Original Release. Network USA Network. Release Juillet 12, 2002. December 4, 2009. Related. Mr. Monk's Last Case, 2023. Monk is an American police procedural comedy drama detective television series that originally ran on the USA Network from July 12, 2002, to December 4, 2009. With 125 episodes broadcast over 8 seasons. It follows Adrian Monk, Tony Shelraub, a private detective with obsessive-compulsive disorder and multiple phobias, and his assistant Sharon Fleming, Betty Scream, and Natalie Tiger, Trailer Award. Monk works with the San Francisco Police Department in solving unconventional cases while investigating his wife's unsolved murder. The show also explores the main characters' personal lives and struggles. First envisioned by ABC as an Inspector Clouseau-type police show, the series premise of a detective with obsessive-compulsive disorder originated with David Roberman in 1998, while Andy Breckman, who is credited as creator, wrote the pilot episode by taking inspiration from Sherlock Holmes. Monk went through 2 years of development due to difficulties finding an actor for the main role. After USA Network took over production and Shelraub was cast, the series pilot was shot in Vancouver, British Columbia in 2001. Subsequent episodes of the first season were filmed in Toronto, Ontario, and the remainder of the series was shot primarily in Los Angeles, California. Monk received critical acclaim and awards throughout its run, including a Emmy Award, 1 Golden Globe Award, and 2 Screen Actors Guild Awards. The 2-part série finale aired on November 27 and December 4, 2009. The final episode held the record for the most watched scripted cable television drama from 2009 to 2012, subsequently broken by The Walking Dead, with 9.4 million viewers. 2. A follow-up film, Mr. Monk's Last Case, a Monk movie, premiered on Peacock on December 8, 2023, with a script written by Breckman and the main cast reprising their roles from the series. 3-4. Premise. Adrian Monk was a brilliant San Francisco Police Department homicide investigator, but the death of his wife, Trudy, exacerbated his obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD, and led him to develop depression and multiple phobias. After refusing to leave his house for over 3 years, Monk, with the help of his nurse and assistant Sharon Fleming, begins working as a private detective and consultant for the police while continuing to investigate Trudy's unsolved murder. Monk helps Captain Leland Stottlemeyer and Lieutenant Randy Disher solve baffling cases and undergoes therapy with the goal of being reinstated on the police force. Following Sharona's departure from San Francisco, Monk finds a new assistant in Natalie Tiger, a young widow and single mother. 5. While Monk's personal challenges and compulsions often cause problems and frustration for both himself and those around him, his observational skills and keen attention to detail enable him to solve cases through unconventional means. His 312 phobias include germs, needles, birds, rats, dentists, milk, death, snakes, lightning, mushrooms, crowds and enclosed spaces. 6. Cast and characters. Main article, list of Monk characters and list of Monk cast members. Main cast. The cast of Monk sign in autographs at Edward Air Force Base. From left to right, Jason Gray Stanford, Trailer Howard, and Tony Shelraub. Tony Shelraub as Adrian Monk, the defective detective and a renowned former homicide investigator who works as a private consultant for the San Francisco Police Department. Has obsessive compulsive disorder and multiple phobias, all of which intensified after the murder of his wife Trudy, resulting in his suspension from the department. Monk helps the police solve unconventional crimes and undergoes therapy with the ultimate goal of overcoming his grief, taking control of his phobias and disorder, and being reinstated as a police detective. Betty Scream à Sharon Fleming, Season 23, Guest Season, émoticône n'en croyant pas ses yeux, Monk's personal nurse and first assistant, and a single mother with a son named Benji. Sharon is often hard on Monk and refuses to baby him. She leaves the show when she moves to New Jersey to remarry her ex-husband. Jason Gray Stanford à Lieutenant Randy Disher, Captain Stottlemyre S. second in command at the San Francisco Police Department S. Homicide Division. Randy is naive and slightly dim and often pose far-fetched theories and comments about the case that Monk works on. Bu is a loyal friend and skilled police officer who handles himself adeptly in investigations and tactical maneuvers. Ted Levine à Captain Leland Stottlemyre, the head of the San Francisco Police Department S. Homicide Division. He and Monk have been good friends since their early days on the police force. Stottlemyre is initially annoyed and reluctant to work with Monk due to his phobias, but grows to respect his friend and former colleague's observational abilities. Trailer Howard à Natalie Tiger, Season 3-8 Monk's second personal assistant and a young widow with a daughter named Julie. Though Natalie is more deferential and patient with her boss than Sharon was, often referring to him as her Monk, she is not hesitant to call Monk out when she feels he is being unfair or unreasonable. Supporting. Stanley Kamel à Dr. Charles Kroger, Season 1-6, Monk's first psychiatrist. He was said to have died of a heart attack after Kamel's death on April 8, 2008. 7. Can Ritcott, Pilot épisode et Season 2-3, and Max Morrow, Season 1, à Benji Fleming, Sharona Esson. Stelina Rusich, Season 1-2, and Melora Hardin, Season 3-8, à Trudy Monk, a former journalist and Monk's deceased wife. Monk's effort to solve her murder form the overarching storyline of the series. Jared Paul à Kevin Dorfman, Season 2 5 et 7, à an accountant and Monk's talkative and nosy upstairs neighbor. Tim Begley à Harold Crenshaw, Season 3 et 5-8, another patient of their Croges with obsessive compulsive disorder who develops a rivalry with Monk due to their incompatible compulsions. Amy Clark à Julie Tiger, Season 3-8, Natalie's daughter who grows to respect Monk and comes to see him as a father figure. Et c'était Elisando à Dr. Neven Bell, Season 7-8, Monk's second psychiatrist who replaces Dr. Kroger. 8-9-10. Épisode. Main article, List of Monk episode. Viewership and rating per season of Monk. Season Team Slow, et épisode First Air de Last Air de TV Season. Date Viewers. Millions, date Viewers. Millions. Un Friday 9h p.m., 1. Friday 10h p.m., 2 13 juillet 12, 2002 4.76 11 octobre 18, 2002 4.25 12 2002 03. 2 Friday 10h p.m. 16 juin 20, 2003 5.43 13 mars 5, 2004 5.51 14 2003 04. 3 16 juin 18, 2004 5.54 15 mars 4, 2005 4.44 16 2004 05. 4 16 juillet 8, 2005 6.38 17 mars 17, 2006 5.36 18 2005 06. 5 Friday 9h p.m., 1 8, 10 16. Friday 10h p.m., 9, 16 juillet 7, 2006 5.09 19 mars 2, 2007 5.71 20 2006 07. 6 Friday 9h p.m. 16 juillet 13, 2007 4.82 21 février 22, 2008 6.88 22 2007 08. 7 16 juillet 18, 2008 5.64 23 février 20, 2009 5.54 24 2008 09. 8 16 auguste 7, 2009 5.14 25 décembre 4, 2009 9.44 26 2009 10. Production. According to an interview with executive producer David Roberman 27 ABC first conceived the series as a police show with an Inspector Clouseau-like character with OCD. Roberman said ABC wanted Michael Richard, who had starred as a private investigator in the Michael Richard show 2 years earlier, for the show 27 but Richard turned it down. Roberman brought in Andy Breckman a creator, and Breckman, inspired by Sherlock Holmes, introduced Dr. Kroger as a Dr. Watson-like character and an Inspector Lestrade-like character who eventually became Captain Stottlemeyer. Although ABC originated the show, the network handed it off to the USA Network. USA is now owned by NBC, NBC Universal. 28 Monk was the first Touchstone television produced show aired on USA Network instead of ABC. Although ABC initially refused Monk, they did air repeats of the show on ABC between June-November 2002, and then again between March-Mai 2004. En January 12, 2006, USA Network announced that Monk had been picked up through at least season 6 as one of the extra-ted series in cable history. 29. Season 5 premiered Friday, July 7, 2006, at 9h p.m. Eastern Time. This marked the first time change for the program, which aired at 10h p.m. during its first 4 seasons. The change allowed the show to work as a lead-in to a new USA Network series, Psych, another offbeat detective program. Monk followed a consistent format of airing ref of its 16 episodes in mid-year and the second ref early the following year, with the exception of the first season, which broadcast entirely from July through October 2002, and the final season, which broadcast entirely between August and December 2009. Previously aired episode of Monk began airing on NBC Universal Sibling Network NBC April 6, 2008. NBC hid the show because its block with site could be plugged into NBC's schedule intact. The show were being used to increase the scripted programming on the network. A production of its own scripted programming ramped back up following the writers' strike. 30 rating for the broadcast debut were well below NBC averages for the time period. The show came in third behind Big Brother 9 on CBS and Opera's Big Give on ABC. 31. Location. Also set in the San Francisco Bay Area, Monk is for the most part shot elsewhere except for occasional exteriors featuring city landmarks. The pilot episode was shot in Vancouver, British Columbia, with some location shooting in San Francisco, and the subsequent season 1 episode were shot in the Toronto, Ontario area. 32 Most of the episodes from season 2 through 6 were filmed in the Los Angeles area, including set for Monk's apartment, the police station and Stottlemeyer's office, Dr. Croget's office, and Natalie's house. 33. In the later part of season 4, some on-location filming was done in San Francisco. Many portions of the episode Mr. Monk and the Big Reward were shot on location, including a climactic chase scene where Monk and Natalie are chased by 3 bounty hunters. 34. Theme music. During the first season of Monk, the series used a jazzy instrumental introduction to the show by songwriter Jeff Beal, performed by guitarist Grant Geissman. 35 The theme won the 2003 Emmy Award for Outstanding Original Main Title Theme Music. 36. NYC Hector Colter Rule was hired by USA Network to do all radio and TV promotion for the series from its inception, lending an ironic, understated tone that contributed to the show's early popularity. The original tag was Monk, America's favorite defective detective. When season 2 began, the series received a new theme song, titled It Is a John Glauder, by Randy Newman. Reaction to the new theme was mixed. A review of season 2 in the New York Daily News included a wish that producers would revert to the original theme. 37 Shel Raob expressed his support for the new theme in USA Today, saying it is dark and mournful sound. It is tongue-in-cheek, darkly humorous side, completely fits the tone of the show. 38. Newman was awarded the 2004 Emmy Award for Outstanding Original Main Title Theme Music for It Is a John Glauder. 39. Randy Newman also wrote a new song for the final episode entitled When I'm Gone. The song was released on iTunes on December 1, 2009, and won the 2010 Emmy Award for Outstanding Original Music and Lyric. 40-41. Syndication. Over the year, the show was syndicated on Mi Network from 2010 to 2014. Other networks include Yon Television, Oui TV, Sundance TV, MeTV, WGN America, Universal HD, Heroes Icons, IFC, Cozy TV, and Hallmark Movies and Mysteries. 42. Accolade. Main article, List of awards and nominations received by Monk. The series won 8 Emmy Awards, 1 Golden Globe Award, and 2 Screen Actors Guild Awards. Turkish adaptation. A Turkish adaptation titled Gali Dervit began airing on Canal D in March 2013, the same name used when it first aired the original Monk in the 2000s. Country / langage local title channel dater de / premiered. Turkey Gali Dervit Canal D March 21, 2013, December 28, 2014. Other Media. Little Monk. Main article, Little Monk. USA Network premiered a 10 episode online series entitled Little Monk on August 21, 2009. It includes Adrian and Ambrose Monk during their middle school year, bringing a backstory to Monk's detective skills and phobias. Script television movie. On February 17, 2012, Andy Breckman announced that a script had been completed for a television movie titled Mr. Monk for Mayor. Breckman stated that the film should begin production by June-August 2012 in California for a release date in December 2012. Breckman also stated that he hoped a sequel would be produced, as well. 43 The idea was rejected for budgetary reasons. 44. COVID-19 short. On mai 11, 2020, Peacock, for their Atom Variety show released a 4 minutes scripted short of Monk, titled MR Monk Shelters in Place, Following Monk During the COVID-19 Pandemic, Showing Away Fares During This Time. Tony Shelraub reprise the title role, as well as original main cast members, Jason Grace Stanford, Ted Levine, and Trailer Howard as their respective characters. 45. Film. Main article, MR Monk's Last Case. En mars 14, 2023, Tony Shelraub confirmed on Dr. Lubna Assaïs and Heard Story that inspire podcast that a 90 minutes Monk movie was produced for Andy Breckman Productions, Mandeville Television, Universal Content Productions and Peacock, with shooting expected to start in May 2023. 46 The following day, Peacock officially ordered the Monk follow-up film, titled MR Monk's Last Case, a Monk movie with original cast members Shelraub, Levine, Howard, Grace Stanford, Rard and Elizondo, who played Monk, Captain Stottlemeyer, Natalie, Randy, Trudy, and Dr. Bell respectively, confirmed to reprise their roles from the series with creator Andy Breckman writing the script. 3 The movie premiered on December 8, 2023. 47. Soundtrack. The show's soundtrack features its original music score, composed by Jeff Beal. Podcast. A Behind the Scenes audio podcast entitled Lunch at Monk was released. 48 In the podcast, cast and crew members of the show are interviewed over lunch and dinner. Nouvelle série. Since 2006, during the airing of Season 4, Lee Goldberg, a writer for the series, has produced a series of novels based on the original television series. 49 All of the novels are narrated by Natalie Tiger, Monk's second assistant. For the most part, the novels remain faithful to the television series, with slight discontinuity. On December 31, 2012, the last novel to be written by Lee Goldberg was released. After Goldberg left the series, Conrad wrote 4 more books, ending with MR Monk and the New Lieutenant. 50. Number title author ISBN publication date note. Un MR Monk goes to the firehouse Lee Goldberg 0-451-21729-2 January 3, 2006 This novel was adapted in 2006 into the season 5 episode MR Monk can't see a thing. 2 MR Monk goes to Hawaii 0-451-21900-7 Julie 5, 2006. 3 MR Monk and the Blue Flu 0-451-22013-7 January 2, 2007 Portions of this novel were adapted in 2009 into the season 8 episode MR Monk and the Badge. 4 MR Monk and the Two Assistants 0-451-22097-8 Julie 3, 2007 First appearance of Sharon Fleming in any Monk-related media since 2004, rendered non-canon by the episode MR Monk and Sharon. 5 MR Monk in Outer Space 0-451-22098-6 October 30, 2007. 6 MR Monk goes to Germany 0-451-22099-4 Julie 1, 2008 This novel was written before, but published after, the airing of MR Monk is on the run, so events in this story run contrary to the series timeline. The forward acknowledges some discontinuity. 7 MR Monk is Miserable 0-451-22515-5 December 2, 2008 Direct sequel to MR Monk Goes to Germany. 8 MR Monk and the Dirty Cop 0-451-22698-4 Julie 7, 2009. 9 MR Monk in Trouble 0-451-22905-3 December 1, 2009 Excerpt The Case of the Peace Corps Gold was published in Ellery Queen Mystery Magazine, November 2009. 10 MR Monk is Cleaned Out 0-451-23009-4 Julie 6, 2010 51. 11 MR Monk 11 Road 0-451-232-119 January 4, 2011 Excerpt MR Monk and the 17 Steps was published in Ellery Queen Mystery Magazine, December 2010. 12 MR Monk 11 Couch 0-451-233-866-7 June 7, 2011 Excerpt MR Monk and the Sunday Paper was published in Ellery Queen Mystery Magazine, June/Julie 2011. 13 MR Monk on Patrol 0-451-23664-5 January 3, 2012 52. 14 MR Monk Isames 0-451-23687-4 June 5, 2012 53 Direct sequel to MR Monk on Patrol. 15 MR Monk G Evan 0-451-23915-6 December 31, 2012 54 Direct sequel to MR Monk Isames. 16 MR Monk Helps Himself I Conrad 0-451-24093-6 June 4, 2013. 17 MR Monk G On Board 0-451-24095-2 January 7, 2014 Direct sequel to MR Monk Helps Himself. The novel itself was noted by Conrad to have been adapted from a never-filmed Season 3 script for an episode called MR Monk is at Sea, which would have Monk and Sharon investigate a murder on a cruise ship. That episode was never filmed because no cruise line, out of sensitivity to the plot, wanted to loan a ship to the production crew to use for shooting. 18 MR Monk is open for business 0-451-47056-7 June 3, 2014 Direct sequel to MR Monk G On Board. 19 MR Monk and the New Lieutenant 0-451-47058-3 January 6, 2015 Direct sequel to MR Monk is open for business. I Conrad confirmed through HIS website that New Lieutenant will be the final Monk novel. 55. Home Release. Universal Studio Home Entertainment HAS released all 8 seasons of Monk on DVD in Region 1. On October 5, 2010, Universal released Monk the Complete Series, Limited Edition box set on DVD in Region 1, a 32 disc set featuring all 8 seasons of the series, as well as special features and a collectible 32-page booklet. 56. In Australia, Season 1 à 5 were re-released in slimmer packaging in 2010. In 2017, all 8 seasons were reissued and distributed by Shack Entertainment, previous releases were Universal. Citation needed. DVD name episode release date. Région 1 Région 2 Région 4. Season 1 13 June 15, 2004 57 December 27, 2004 January 18, 2005. Season 2 16 January 11, 2005 58 Julie 18, 2005 September 21, 2005. Season 3 16 June 5, 2005 59 February 27, 2006 March 22, 2006. Season 4 16 June 27, 2006 60 September 18, 2006 November 15, 2006. Season 5 16 June 26, 2007 61 September 17, 2007 April 1, 2009. Season 6 16 Julie 8, 2008 62 September 8, 2008 February 3, 2010. Season 7 16 Julie 21, 2009 63 Auguste 23, 2010 64 June 30, 2010 65. Season 8 16 March 16, 2010 66 Mai 9, 2011 67 December 1, 2010 68. Season 8 16 November 23, 2010 69 Mai 9, 2011 67 December 1, 2010 70. Complète série 125 December 14, 2010 Auguste 29, 2011 December 7, 2016. Footnotes. Season 1. Season 2 8. credited as Universal Network Television, Season 1-2, NBC Universal Television Studio, Season 3-6, and Universal Media Studio, Season 6. References. Monk S Obsessive Compulsive Disorder. Recoby. October 8, 2024. Retrieved October 8, 2024. Kung, Michel, December 7, 2009. Monk Final Break Basic Cable Rating Record. The Wall Street Journal. Retrieved March 6, 2010. Pesky, Denise, Andreva, Nelly, March 15, 2023. Monk Returns a Peacock Orders Follow-up Movie starring Tony Shelraobe Original Series Cast. Deadline. Retrieved March 15, 2023. Lee Lenker, Maureen, October 9, 2023. Détective Monk and Friends Return in First Look at Mr. Monk's Last Case, a Monk Movie. Entertainment Weekly. Retrieved October 9, 2023. Kaufman, Joanne, January 9, 2009. Here's What Happened, How Natalie Rescued Monk. The Wall Street Journal. Retrieved January 11, 2009. Mr. Monk and the Very Old Man, 25 juillet 2003, Retrieved 16 mai 2024. Ryan, Joel, April 9, 2008. Monk Psychiatrist Dies. Online. Entertainment Télévision. Keller, Richard, Julie 8, 2008. Tony Shelraobe and Hector Elizondo Tokabu Season 7 of Monk. TV Squad. Retrieved March 6, 2010. Dr. Nevin Bell. USA Network. Archived from the original on December 10, 2010. Retrieved July 10, 2008. Emmy Award winner Hector Elizondo to appear in Monk. Monk TV Series News. USA Network. Archived from the original on Mai 13, 2008. Retrieved March 6, 2010. Romano, Allison, Julie 15, 2002. USA Score with Monk. Broadcasting et câble. Retrieved March 21, 2014. Fitzgerald, Tony, October 30, 2002. Dad Series Scores in a Dollar TV Week. Media Life Magazine. Archived from the original on November 1, 2002. Retrieved April 18, 2015. Romano, Allison, June 29, 2003. Monk, Sex, Good Start. Broadcasting et câble. Retrieved March 23, 2014. Vasquez, Diego, March 10, 2004. ABC Spike from King's Spook Hospital. Media Life Magazine. Archived from the original on November 6, 2005. Retrieved April 19, 2015. Romano, Allison, June 27, 2004. Summer Sizzle. Broadcasting et câble. Retrieved March 23, 2014. Cable série by Total Households, Week of 02-28-05-03-06-05. Zep 2 Hit. Tribune Media Service. Archived from the original on March 14, 2005. Retrieved March 23, 2014. Orse, Kate, Julie 18, 2005. Briefly, Monk Returns, Rempton Skills. The New York Times. Retrieved March 22, 2014. Développement Update, March 23-24. The Foot and Critic. March 24, 2006. Retrieved March 23, 2014. The Hitison, USA is Dies Again in July. The Foot and Critic. Augustin, 2006. Retrieved March 23, 2014. Cable Rating Roundup, Week of February 26 March 4 Monk Site Go Out on Top for USA. The Foot and Critic. Marche 8, 2007. Retrieved Marche 23, 2014. Fox, NBC Real Happy. Variety. Julie 24, 2007. Retrieved Marche 19, 2014. Sideman, Robert, February 26, 2008. Top Cable Show Feb 18 à 24, Nick is King of Cable. TV by the Numbers. Archived from the original on February 14, 2012. Retrieved June 27, 2012. USA Takes Week with unprecedented 5 originals on the air. The Foot and Critic. Julie 23, 2008. Retrieved Marche 19, 2014. Sideman, Robert, February 24, 2009. WW The Closer and Monk Lead Weekly Cable Viewing. TV by the Numbers. Zep 2 Hit. Archived from the original on Marche 3, 2011. Retrieved Marche 19, 2014. Sideman, Robert, Auguste 31, 2010. iCarly, Burn Notice, The Closer, Royal Pain, WW and Monk Top Week Cable Show. TV by the Numbers. Archived from the original on October 13, 2019. Retrieved Mai 25, 2012. Sideman, Robert, December 8, 2009. Cable Rating, Patrio 100, Monk Final and iCarly Special Top Weekly Cable Charts. TV by the Numbers. Archived from the original on October 13, 2019. Retrieved September 21, 2012. MR Monk and H.I.S. Origins, a special feature packaged with the Season 1 DVDs. Monk Fac. USA Network. September 21, 2006. Archived from the original on November 13, 2006. Retrieved November 29, 2006. USA Network announces 56th season pick-up and acquisition of back-end streaming rights of the award-winning original series Monk, press release. USA Network. January 12, 2006. Archived from the original on Mai 11, 2008. Retrieved Mai 28, 2008. Rebird, James, December 18, 2007. Monk Site to Get NBC Run. Television Week. Archived from the original on Marche 21, 2008. Retrieved April 10, 2008. Monk, Site Stumble in a Shift to NBC. Reuters / The Hollywood Reporter. April 8, 2008. Retrieved 12 avril 2008. Monk Film in Location. IMDb. Retrieved 3 octobre 2012. Teresa Murray. Monk 7 Visite 2, Kim and Teresa Go to Hollywood. evilwinltd.com. Retrieved 3 octobre 2012. MR Monk Goes to San Francisco Part 3, by Frank Steele. Grant Geisman Biography. Archived from the original on 10 octobre 2003. Retrieved 16 septembre 2006. Monk The Show, Theme Song. Archived from the original on September 2, 2006. Retrieved September 16, 2006. Bianculli, David, June 17, 2003. Detective S. Defective, Show SNT. New York Daily News. Archived from the original on March 13, 2005. Retrieved 16 septembre 2006. The Monk Fan Page. Retrieved 16 septembre 2006. Chronologie Randy Newman. Archived from the original on August 16, 2006. Retrieved 16 septembre 2006. Outstanding Original Music and Lyric Nominees / Winner 2010. Télévision Academy. Retrieved 16 mai 2024. Cassidy, Kevin, 20 août 2010. Randy Newman is surprisingly optimistic. The Hollywood Reporter. Retrieved 16 mai 2024. Robbins, Karen. Emmy winning comedy Monk joint Hallmark Movies et Mysteries Line-up. Broadway World. Retrieved 5 janvier 2023. Gurok, Noah, February 17, 2012. Monk to return to TV in 2 Hour Movie. my9tv.com. Archived from the original on March 29, 2012. Retrieved April 7, 2012. Kennel, Seb, June 5, 2012. Monk, Rumor, No TV Movie. Spoilers. Spoilert.com. Retrieved 3 janvier 2013. Barcenti, Sam, mai 11, 2020. Adrian Monk is back and more miserable than ever in Peacock's first Atom Variety Show short. News.avclub.com. Retrieved 11 mai 2020. Bonomolo, Cameron, Mark 15, 2023. Tony Shelraub confirms Monk movie for Peacock. Comcebook.com. Retrieved 15 mars 2023. Lee Lenker, Maureen, October 9, 2023. Détective Monk and Friends return in first look at Mr. Monk's last case, a Monk movie. Entertainment Weekly. Retrieved October 9, 2023. Monk TV série, Détective Monk Télévision Show USA Network Launch at Monk Podcast. USA Network. October 26, 2009. Archived from the original on December 27, 2009. Retrieved March 7, 2010. Lee Goldberg. Book, Monk. Archived from the original on February 3, 2011. Retrieved March 6, 2010. Mr. Monk helps himself. I. Conrad. Retrieved 3 janvier 2013. Amazon.com, 2010. Mr. Monk is cleaned out. Obsidian. ISBN 978-0451230096. Amazon.com, 2012. Mr. Monk on Patrol. Obsidian. ISBN 978-0451235619. Amazon.com, 2012. Mr. Monk is a mess. Obsidian. ISBN 978-0451236876. Amazon.com, 2012. Mr. Monk is a mess. Obsidian. ISBN 978-0451239150. Conrad, I. January 27, 2015. Monk leaves the game. I. Conrad. Archived from the original on March 8, 2015. Monk DVD News, Announcement for Monk, The Complete Series, Limited Edition Box Set. TV Show on DVD. Archived from the original on October 15, 2012. Retrieved October 3, 2012. Monk Season 1. Amazon. 15 juin 2004. Retrieved 7 mars 2010. Monk Season 2. Amazon. January 11, 2005. Retrieved 7 mars 2010. Monk Season 3. Amazon. 5 juillet 2005. Retrieved 7 mars 2010. Monk Season 4. Amazon. Retrieved 7 mars 2010. Monk Season 5. Amazon. Retrieved 7 mars 2010. Monk Season 6. Amazon. 8 juillet 2008. Retrieved 7 mars 2010. Monk Season 7. Amazon. Julie 21, 2009. Retrieved 7 mars 2010. UK, Monk, Season 7, 4 disques, DVD free delivery. Play.com. Retrieved 7 mars 2010. Monk Season 7 DVD release. Easy DVD. Archived from the original on June 25, 2010. Retrieved June 8, 2010. Monk DVD News, announcement for Monk Season 8. TV show on DVD. Archived from the original on February 21, 2010. Retrieved March 7, 2010. Monk, Season 8 DVD, Amazon.company.uk, Tony Shell Raoub, Film et TV. Amazon.company.uk. Retrieved 3 octobre 2012. Monk, 2002, Season 8, The Final Season. 4 disques 7. EasyDVD.com. December 1, 2010. Archived from the original on April 12, 2011. Retrieved October 3, 2012. Monk DVD News, announcement for Monk Season 8. TV show on DVD. Archived from the original on October 31, 2010. Retrieved November 14, 2010. Monk, 2002, Season 8, The Final Season. 4 disques 7. EasyDVD.com. December 1, 2010. Archived from the original on April 12, 2011. Retrieved October 3, 2012. External links. Wikimedia Commons HAS Media related to Monk, TV série. Wikicode HAS quotations related to Monk, TV série. Official website. Monk on USA from the TV Guide website. Monk at All Movie. Monk at IMDb. VTE. Monk. VTE. USA Network Original Programming. Categories. Monk, TV série, 2000s American Comedy Drama Télévision série 2000s American Crime Drama Télévision série 2000s American Mystery Télévision série 2000s American Police Procedural Télévision série 2002 American Télévision série Debuts 2009 American Télévision série Ending American Crime Comedy Télévision série American Detective Télévision série American English Language Télévision show fictional Portrayals of the San Francisco Police Department Télévision show Abu Mur des fictions Abu. Obsessive Compulsive Disorder Prime Emmy Award-winning télévision série télévision show adapted into novel télévision série by ABC Studio télévision série by Universal télévision série created by Andy Breckman télévision show set in San Francisco télévision show filmed in Toronto télévision série by Universal Cable Production USA Network Original Programming. This page was last edited on 20 October 2024, at 9h07, UTC. Text is available under the Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike 4.0 license, additional terms may apply. By using this site, you agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Wikipedia symbol marque déposée is a registered trademark of the Wikimedia Foundation, INC, a non-profit organisation. Privacy Policy Abu Wikipedia Disclaimer Contact Wikipedia Code of Conduct Developers Statistic Cookie Statement Mobile View Wikimedia Foundation Powered by MediaWiki